Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mommy. I recently did a video of top 10 dollar store finds and it was really popular, so I thought I would do it again. So I am going to share 10 more dollar store finds, tips, and tricks today. Let's get started. So the first product I found today was this crate from Dollarama for $40. I love the size of this. I love the shape of this. It's made of some kind of pressed wood, but I think it would be cute for storage and definitely excellent for crafting. And I know I can make something cute out of this. So if you see these, I think this is a great find. I also found these water bottles. I have 3 boys that are always active and on the go, and we're always looking for good water bottles. They are too old now for the ones that have like any kind of straw or things that have designs on them that are too babyish. I think these ones are a great shape, and if you open them up, they have this spout, which they really like. And if you hear, they have like a little click, so they seal nicely. These were $2.50. They're BPA free. Also, I'm planning on using my Cricut to write their names on these bottles. They're a great blank if you're a crafter too. So I think these are excellent. Another great recent find was this cutting board storage device. I don't know what it's called. And it's really solid. It's like a metal, you can probably hear. It was $3.50. It is excellent, I think, for storing cutting boards or lids off of pots. But also I tend to have paperwork in the kitchen. So I'll make files and stick them in, like one for the hockey, one for medical things. So it's kind of an easy thing for that. Also devices. I often will put iPads or Chromebooks in these types of things. They just sit better and kind of gets them off to the side and off the counter. So this is a really good organizational tool. So of course the dollar store is always perfect for crafting supplies. Recently I shared these little items. This little palette sign was $1.50. These little cutting boards were $1.25. I use these for the palette sign. I turn into this cute little Valentine's Day sign for my board. I also took these little cutting boards and I made this cute little made with love Valentine sign. So I picked up some more of these because I know I can use them for St. Patrick's Day or other occasions. So these are really good. But also I found these circles, and I think these are going to be great for crafting. We can do something with them. If we need something bigger for a wreath, we can stick it on top of an existing wreath. These were 6 boards for $4, so I think these are really good, and I can't wait to show you what I do with these. I also found these little jam jars for Valentine's Day. If you can see here, they have little hearts on them. There's 3 different ones. You can fill them with little treats or chocolates, totally customizable. They'd be good for Valentine's. You could add a cute tag. Anyway, I think these are really cute, and I can't wait to show you what I do with these too. So I think this is a super cute find. This little metal bird. I think this is great for Valentine's Day. It'll look really cute on my tiered tray over here, or maybe sitting on a countertop. I love the pink. After Christmas, I'm a little sick of the red, so I like to switch it up a little bit. But this is like pink with a little bit of a red accent, so it would work with any color scheme. I think this is adorable and excellent deal for $2.50. So keeping with the Valentine's theme, I found these adorable dishes, which are cute for Valentine's Day, but I think they're cute for any occasion. They are oven safe. What does it say here? Up until 420 degrees Fahrenheit. So I thought these would be super cute with just filled with some candy that I picked up at the dollar store, little love hearts, these little cookies and cream chocolates, which I know my boys will love. But I also think because these are oven safe, they would be really fun to bake individual cakes or cookies in. So I'm gonna give that a try, I think. So these are really cute, and for only $3.50, a great deal. So in my house, every Friday night, we have family movie night. And we watch a movie together. There are no devices, and we always get special treats. So I always fill a bowl with treats that everybody loves. I actually got this bowl at the dollar store a while ago. I'm not sure if they still have them. And I use my Cricut to write our names on them. But I fill them with dollar store treats. And I just wanted to point out, they sell these little bags. They're 2 for $1, and they're sea salt malt vinegar, and they are excellent chips. So if you're looking for a movie treat and you like salt and vinegar chips, these have a great crunch, and they're one of our family favorites. Also, my middle son loves gummy bears, and they sell these at the dollar store, and take a look out for them because these are the kind of high-end gummy bears, and they're a lot cheaper at the dollar store than they are other places. So filling a box with or a bowl with treats for movie night is inexpensive and fun using dollar store items. So another great find are these magic gloves. I love these magic gloves. I think they're perfect for shoving in your pockets, leaving in the car in case you have to pump gas and you don't have your good gloves with you. They are inexpensive, but they are tiny and small. My kids also like to wear them underneath their hockey gloves if they're out playing on the pond. So for 2 pairs for $2, these are a great thing to have around the house. These are at the dollar store now. It's $3.50, and it's a neck warmer, and it's really high quality. If you look inside, it's filled with this fluffy, soft, like Sherpa lining. These are great for playing in the snow, better than a scarf. You don't have to worry about it being a choking hazard. They have all kinds of different styles and designs and colors, but this is a great find for winter. So the last thing on my list is for the kitchen. And I have a drawer in my kitchen where I keep all my utensils, and the utensil tray is smaller than the drawer, and it seems to kind of slide around a lot. So I picked up this liner, and it's big enough to go lengthways across my drawer. And what I like about it is I can cut it to whatever size I want. So this was $3, and there's tons here, so there's enough to do all kinds of drawers. So this is a good find. But also for my kitchen, I always buy these. They're the parchment sheets. They're the perfect size to put on a cookie sheet. So if you see these around, they're easy to pull out for cookies or wings or anytime you need a sheet of parchment on a cookie sheet. So these are $1.25 for 10, so it's a great deal, and it's super convenient. So those are my top 10 dollar store finds, tips, and tricks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you're interested in more videos like this, or DIYs, or ideas for easy and inexpensive family fun, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye.